You are starting a business and you've got to decide on a business structure. And word on the street is that an LLC is the way to go. But what is an LLC? LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's hands down the simplest way of structuring your business that also protects your personal assets. That's why an LLC is the most popular business structure choice. It gives you the best of both worlds: personal liability protection like a corporation and pass-through taxation benefits like a sole proprietorship or partnership. Let's get down to business. We'll help you understand what an LLC is, who can form one, and the different types of LLCs out there. Get ready to be an LLC expert. What is an LLC? The simplest way to think about LLCs is this. Unlike sole proprietorships and general partnerships, LLCs can protect your personal assets if your business is sued. Unlike corporations, LLCs are relatively easy to form and maintain, and are not subject to double taxation. For most small business owners, forming an LLC is the way to go. You can have one or more owners who are called members. If it's just you, it's a single-member LLC. And if you've got a crew, it's a multi-member LLC. Forming your business as a limited liability company has some other sweet benefits too, which we'll get to in just a second. Now, don't get us wrong, LLCs aren't the only business structure. Other business structures include corporations, general partnerships, and sole proprietorships. We have more details about these options on howtostartanllc.com in case you want to see if they'd work for you. Advantages of an LLC. LLCs offer so many benefits to small businesses: limited liability protection, pass-through taxation, simplicity, flexibility, tax options, increased credibility, and access to business loans and credit. First of all, let's talk about the elephant in the room: liability. We know you're going to make millions with your brilliant business idea, but what if things don't go according to plan? With an LLC, your personal assets are protected if the business goes bankrupt or gets sued. In other words, you won't have to sell your house or car to pay off business debts. Provided there is no fraud or criminal behavior, the owners of an LLC are not personally responsible for the LLC's debts or lawsuits. This is what is often referred to as personal asset protection. The next benefit is a little something called pass-through taxation. An LLC's profits go directly to its owners, who then report their share of the profits on their individual tax returns. Hence, an LLC's profits are only taxed once. No double taxation like you get in a structure like a C corporation. Limited liability companies are also relatively easy to form and maintain with little paperwork. Unlike C corporations, LLCs are not required to assign formal officer roles, or hold annual meetings, or even record company minutes and resolutions. So, less work for you. There are more flexible options for how you can structure the ownership and management within an LLC. Your LLC can be single member or multi-member. And remember, that's just another word for owner. You can choose to manage the LLC yourselves as member managed, or appoint a manager to handle things as manager managed. It's all about finding what works best for you and your team. Now, let's talk taxes. There are 3 different ways of paying income tax, but one popular option for LLCs is to be taxed as an S corporation. Don't worry, it's not a whole new type of business entity, just a tax designation. We have a video on LLC versus S Corp to help you pick the best option for you. And let's not forget about the added credibility that comes with forming an LLC versus something like a sole proprietorship or partnership. By including LLC in your business name, customers and partners will know that you mean business. Plus, once you've formed your LLC, you can start building a credit history and gain access to loans and lines of credit. Disadvantages of an LLC. LLCs offer many benefits, but there are some small disadvantages. Because LLCs are pass-through entities like a sole proprietorship or partnership, LLC owners are responsible for paying taxes on their share of LLC income, whether or not they are given a disbursement. This is why LLCs are less attractive to investors than a corporation. Another thing to keep in mind is that all LLC members have to wait for K-1 forms to arrive before they can file their personal taxes. This can be a bit of a headache for investors who will not fund LLCs because this complicates their typical filing process. Who can form an LLC? Any person of legal age can form an LLC in the U.S. Some states even allow people under 18 to organize. LLC owners don't have to be U.S. citizens either. They can be from any country except for those under U.S. sanctions. To learn how to form a company from abroad, check out our How to Start a Company in the U.S. video. Types of LLCs. So by now, we all know that LLCs offer the ultimate combo of limited liability and pass-through taxation. But did you know that there are different types of LLCs that might work better for your business? Here's a quick overview. First, we have domestic LLCs, which are formed in the state where your business operates. Then we have foreign LLCs, which is ideal for businesses that operate across multiple states. Next, we have the professional LLC, which is designed specifically for licensed professionals like doctors, lawyers, and accountants. Lastly, there's the rarest type of LLC, a series LLC. It's like the Russian nesting doll of assets. A series LLC can be great for businesses or investors with multiple properties, business lines, or other assets that they want to keep separate for legal and accounting purposes, without needing to start multiple separate LLCs and wrangle a complicated pile of annual paperwork. But keep in mind, only a handful of states allow this formation. For more info on these variations, check out our page linked below. How to form a limited liability company. Forming an LLC is pretty straightforward. You can hire a service to file for you, or you can DIY it. If you're forming an LLC yourself, there are generally 6 steps you'll need to follow. Choose your state, choose a name, nominate a registered agent, file formation documents, create an operating agreement, and get an EIN. We've got you covered with free guides and filing service reviews. When you head to our site, select your state, then right at the top you'll see a video guide on the specifics of how to form an LLC yourself in your state, so you don't miss any state-specific bureaucratic details. So, we've covered a lot of ground today, but let's summarize what we've learned. Small business owners have a lot of reasons to prefer the LLC business structure over everything else. It gives you the liability protection of a tough, big corporation, but the tax benefits of a laid-back sole proprietorship or a partnership. Forming your business as an LLC can help protect you against lawsuits, reduce paperwork compared to corporations, prevent your company from being taxed twice, and give your business more credibility. If you're hungry for more info on how to set up an LLC, check out our other video. And if you're looking for a one-stop shop for all things small business, head over to our howtostartanllc.com website. We've got loads of free resources and guides to help you get your business up and running. Best of luck with your small biz. We're rooting for you.